What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are back outside on this lovely day. My last video, it was snowing. We were plowing this whole area, but now it feels like spring. So let's do this BMW X1. Let's see how it does. As usual, start in the back seat. And let's do the front. A little bit of a tight squeeze sitting behind myself, but this is not the biggest BMW you can get. And let's do the front seat. Ooh. Oh boy. Oh, wow. If weak was in the dictionary, there would be a picture of this car's interior in it. Oh boy. Let's do the button test now. And now for the final button. Just so you can see how many miles are on here. Just under 72,000. In case you guys are curious. Anyway, how did it do? Well guys, I gotta tell you, being in this X1, I know it is one of the cheaper models in the BMW range, but you can kind of tell with the fit and finish and materials. It's not on the same par as the other cars. Just isn't, but I was a bit disappointed with the center console area here, especially by these vents here right below the screen. Ultra squeaky. There's no way to sugarcoat it, really. Just is what it is. The rest of it is kind of average, really. The rest of the fit and finish. Overhead console is a little bit weak. The rest of it is just, again, average. So I give it a 5 out of 10, which is an average score for an average car. Wow, that sounded really, really snotty. What was wrong with me? But yeah, 5 out of 10 for fit and finish is what this car deserves. How about materials? Well, again, this is on the lower scale of BMW. It's not too bad though. This upper part here is soft touch. I mentioned this before, I'm not a big fan of BMW vinyl. At least the way it feels to the touch, but like pressing in it, it feels okay. It's got some good give. And I notice a lot of people have been complaining about this in the car industry lately, is the black piano wood fakery that is very ubiquitous in cars nowadays. It looks like black piano veneer, but it's just glossy plastic. It scratches, it basically looks like shit over time. This car has loads of it, so not my favorite there. I can understand why people don't like it. Soft touch, soft touch, soft touch. Everything else is pretty good. This one's also soft touch. A little bit hard plastic by the rear center climate vents. The buttons are pretty typical BMW, maybe slightly below average BMW, but nothing too special. We get down here. Don't really like this plastic surface area, but it's okay, I guess, for a car like this. This is soft, which is alright. These seats, I'm pretty sure it's the pleather, the man-made leather, or if it is a real leather, it is not the highest grade, but could be worse. This is soft touch. I mean, everything else is okay. The headliner is cloth, but the sun visor isn't. It's plastic. Not the absolute worst plastic, though, that I've dealt with, so just not my favorite. But again, I shouldn't have such lofty expectations of a car like this. Materials, I'm going to give it an average score, just like the fit and finish. It's just average, 5 out of 10. Not bad, but not outstanding either. I don't know, car's okay, I guess. I think I've drove one of these around the block like one time. I think this has the base 4-cylinder. It's kind of slow. This is really more of an economy car that has a BMW logo, the way I see it. But I don't know a ton about these. I could be wrong. This is all subjective anyway, so don't take my word too seriously. Take it with a grain of salt. But let me know what you guys think about this car. It's nice to be back making videos. I haven't made a video in a while. I just got kind of burned out in a way. Been trying to stay busy selling in February. Now it's March. Weather's going to be better. More people are getting out. And hopefully things will be a lot nicer. Anyway, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.